Welcome to Maths World YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths. Today we will discuss exercise 2.8 question number 3, that is sum of 5 times of a number and square of a number is 204. Now what you will do, very simple, that the required number is x, 5 times of a number 5x, and sum x squared 5x is equals to 204. Now you are going to simplify them. So now simply x square plus 7x is minus 204. Actually the main point here is to understand the statement. When you understand, you just simply factorize it. So now what you will do, x square plus 7x, 17x would be there, and minus 12x, and 204 is equals to 0. X plus 17 minus 12, x plus 17, like this, and x plus 17 is equals to, and x minus 12, x plus 17 and x minus 12, and x is equals to 7 minus 17, and x is equals to positive 12. Now your answer would be, the required numbers are, you write here, the required numbers are minus 17 and 12. So this is a method to solve the question, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment my YouTube channel to get new and innovative content about maths.